Welcome to the installation guide for the Wyze Solar Panel. You'll find the following items included in your package: the Wyze Solar Panel, an adapter cable, a universal joint, a locking cap screw, the base, 3 screws, 3 wall anchors, a hexalabular socket nut, and a quick start guide. You might be wondering, will my Wyze Solar Panel still work even if I don't know what hexalabular means? Yes, it will. But it won't work if you don't place it in plenty of sun. To find the perfect spot, put on a bathing suit and stand all day where you plan to put the panel. Are you sunburned? Perfect. Once you've got some aloe vera on that burn, use the wall base to mark 3 hole locations. Then fix the base with the 3 included screws. If the surface is too soft for a screw, mock it for being too soft. And then use the provided drywall anchors. Now let's prepare the solar panel before attaching it to the base. Begin by sliding the locking screw cap over the universal joint. Then screw the hexalabular socket nut onto the universal joint. There's that word again. Hexalabular. Is it a real word? It doesn't matter. You're not gonna let it ruin your day. You've got a solar panel to install. Screw the universal joint into the back of the solar panel and then tighten it firmly with a hexalabular socket nut. There. You might not know what it means, but by golly, you know what it's for. On the back of the solar panel, you'll find a winding board for excess cable. Estimate how much cable you'll need to attach the solar panel to your Wyze Cam Outdoor, then coil the rest around that board. Now, connect the solar panel to the base by screwing the locking screw cap until it's secure. Ideally, the panel should be angled 30 degrees upward. Because remember, solar panels draw their power from the sun, which is in the sky. You can adjust your solar panel anytime, up to 90 degrees at the elbow or side to side by loosening the locking screw cap. Make sure all caps and screws are securely tightened after any adjustment, and wipe the face of your panel from time to time with a soft, damp cloth, just like you wipe your tears at the end of Little Women. Damn it, Beth. You were too good for this ugly world. Finally, you're ready to attach the Wyze Solar Panel to your Wyze Cam Outdoor. Begin by inserting the micro USB cable securely into the waterproof sleeve of the power adapter. Then remove the silicone cover from the port on the back of your Wyze Cam Outdoor and insert the micro USB end of the power adapter firmly into the port. You may want to hang on to that little silicone cover in case you ever use the Wyze Cam without the solar panel, or if this worldwide silicone shortage continues, that little guy could fund your retirement. You did it! Now sit back and congratulate yourself on a job well done, you seasoned do-it-yourselfer. You installed a Wyze Solar Panel with your bare hands. You're practically a NASA engineer.